Yeah, hello, good evening everyone. Yes, Venkatesh, you want to say something? Some students are raising their hands. If they want to say something, they can. Let's others join. We will wait till 6:05. Can anyone confirm am I audible to you? Just write in chat. Okay, thank you. Yes, Suraj. So I hope everyone have done like all the 4 lectures for week 1. Yes or no? Okay, great. First thing, I want this class to be interactive. If you can speak, then speak. Otherwise, you can write in chat box. For the week 1, I will be discussing some questions. So first, I will flag some question with some options. Then I will ask answer from your side. You can write in chat box. I'll check, I'll see, and then I'll describe the answer. In between, if you have any query, you can ask in between as well. I hope that's fine for you. For your kind information, after this class I will be sharing this recording on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is only for this NPTEL classes. I already shared week 0 assignment there. Week 0 was without any students. For week 1 assignments I will share after this class. And in between, you have any doubts, you can write in discussion forum, you can write in YouTube comment, or you can ask in class. This class will be on every Friday from 6 to 7 p.m. YouTube channel link I'll share in the chat box after this class. So how was your 4 classes? Easy, hard, interesting, boring? Yeah, Nandini, you are raising your hand. You want to say something? Okay, interesting, normal, easy, quite interesting, great. So your first assignment will be very easy because I don't know your level of understanding or your, so for this assignment it will be very easy, and based on your responses I will be increasing the level of my assignments, classes by classes. So that's why I am asking you to reply for each questions. Even if you don't know, or you want to, like, you don't know exactly what is the correct answer, but you can think about it because questions are very easy. If you have gone through the classes, you will solve every questions. I think we should start now. Yeah, it's 6:10 already. So firstly, like I introduce myself, I'm Ravi Kumar. I'm a PMRF research scholar at IIT Bombay in the field of energy science only. I'm working on the photovoltaic technology, and I'm taking this course Physics of Renewable Energy, which is teaching by Professor Amrish Chandra from Department of Physics, IIT Kharagpur. So I'll be taking some assignments every Friday from 6 to 7 p.m. So today we are gonna start our first assignment. So let's proceed. So what is the full form of NTOE? You must have read it in first lecture only. Okay. Hima Bindu is right. D. Others? Others don't know. Okay. Some students are joining. So this is our first questions for today class. Yeah, correct answer is D. Megaton of oil equivalent. So now let's proceed to our second question. One TOE is equivalent to. Okay. What is GCAL? Can anyone tell me what is this GCAL? Full form of this? Gigacalorie, right? Right. So this is gigacalorie. So this is the definition of MTOE for the first question, and for the second question, 1 TOE will be equivalent to 11.63 megawatt hour, and then we will convert it into gigajoule and then it into gigacalorie. So can anyone tell me what is 1 calorie equals to how many joule? One calorie equals to how many joule? Okay. Others? Okay. Hima, I am not asking kilocalorie, I am asking calorie. Kanchan is right, Ravindra Kumar right. Yes, 4.18 joule, or like we can say 4.2 joule. So the correct answer for this question will be A, 10 gigacalorie. This is 6:13. Students still coming. Okay, so next question. Which of the following can be considered as a secondary energy source? First, anyone tell me what is secondary energy source? What do you mean by a secondary energy source? Yes. Yes, someone saying something. What is the difference between primary energy source and secondary energy source? Because if you don't know primary energy source and secondary energy source, then you can't be handle these type of questions. You can speak, either you can write. Direct receiving. Okay, so direct receiving is what kind of energy, primary or secondary? Primary. Primary, okay. So write 2 examples of primary energy, everyone. What are the 2 sources of primary energy. What is this SN? Coal, petroleum, fossil fuels, coal, crude oil, fossil fuels, okay, natural gas. Okay, then answer of this question will be natural gas is right. Solar wind, yes, I correct, primary source of energy. Crude oil, primary source of energy. Answer of this question. C. Electricity. Why? Why electricity is the answer?
Because electricity is generated by using any primary energy source like coal, oil, or solar, or wind.
Yes.
So, from the primary energy source, it uses the primary energy source and it is secondary. So that electricity we use for our application.
Okay, great. Because we are converting one kind of energy into another kind of energy. Like we are burning coal, then we are generating electricity, or either we are generating electricity from wind energy, hydro energy, or photovoltaic. Okay, this is second form of energy which is converted from one form to another form. Right. So let's see next question. A non-renewable source is those which have the property. What are the properties of non-renewable source? This is the question. D. Right. Okay, give me an example of renewable energy other than solar or wind.
Wind, geothermal, hydro.
Yes. Yes. Okay, great. So answer for this will be D. Right. Let's proceed with the fifth question. What are the main drawbacks of fossil fuel? Main drawbacks. Someone saying A, unsustainable. Okay, right. Someone saying B, gases emission. Okay. He might saying 1 and B. Okay. Version A and B, others 1 and A and B. D. Zia Kumar is saying D. None of the above. Really D? Okay, let me tell you, if we are burning fossil fuel, then they emit some gases. So gases emission is there. Unsustainable. Why these gases are unsustainable? Sorry, not gases. Why these fossil fuels are unsustainable?
Because they cannot be reproduced again. Once the product is formed from the energy fossil fuel, it cannot be sustained.
Yeah. So you must know the definition of sustainability. Anyone? Not long lived. Okay, right. Will deplete Absolutely correct. So what about the C, large scale availability? Do we have large scale availability of fossil fuels? Yes or no?
Sir. No, sir.
No. Okay, you are right. No. So answer will be A and B. So let's go for the next question. The example of thermal energy sources. What are these thermal energy sources? C and D. Manish Reddy, how can it be D? Solar photovoltaic. Coal is right. Coal is right. Other than coal, what about nuclear energy? What do you think how a nuclear power plant works? Nuclear. Yes, fission. So answer of this question will be nuclear and coal energy. Why? Because these sources are like which store chemical energy in the form of potential energy and which is converted into heat. So coal and nuclear energy. B and C right. So answer for this question will be B and C. I think you know all the answers. I should increase the level of my quizzes. Yes, B and C. Oh, sorry. Okay, the example of mechanical energy system. Give me answer with reason. Why? B. Okay. Okay, B is correct. Let me ask one more question. Efficiency of thermal energy system or mechanical energy system. Oh, others is very smart. Efficiency in mechanical is higher. Wind turbine mechanically rotates which is coupled to generate to produce energy. Yes, great. Guru. Others right. So I am just asking which will have higher efficiency. Others then give me the reason. So because it helps to run engine. Okay, let me like put A and B. It do some physical work like it rotates the turbine which involves the movement and hence produce energy. But same thing happens in coal energy as well. Mechanical efficiency is large. Mechanical efficiency is large, I agree. Because loss are less directly converted to secondary, whereas thermal there are more stages. Yes, others, you are right. So in thermal energy system what will happen, they will produce some heat, that heat will rotate turbine, but here in case of wind energy we are getting directly a rotating shaft, which is kind of mechanical energy. So the conversion of heat energy into mechanical energy is not there in mechanical energy, right? Others is right. Okay, let's move to the next question. So answer for this is wind energy. Okay, in visible spectrum of solar radiation, which color have the longest wavelength? Write wavelength in the comment in nanometer. Not exactly, just an approx. Okay. Okay. C. Someone is saying is C. Akash 600 nanometer, red 623, 650. Yeah, around 700 is right. So this is a spectrum. You can see in this spectrum, this one is the visible light, and under this visible we have these colors, and red is here. So red we can say 7 to 780. If you will write 650, more than 650 is the correct answer. So answer for this question will be red. Red. So next question. Approximately what percentage of solar radiation reaches to the Earth's surface? $50. C. It means you have done classes very well. Kanchal A, C, 50, C, Isha 50, Mamta C, Kothahi 20, C, Hima C, Dharani C. Okay. Someone is saying 20 and some are saying 50. So most of you are saying 50. Some students are raising their hand. They can speak if they want to, or they can write what are the issue they are facing. Or it may be by chance. Okay. C. Okay. I hope you remember this chart from the lecture only. So here it is like that. If this is the 100% solar radiation, it is coming towards the surface. So 6% will be back space. This is 100 minus 6 back scattered by atmosphere, then 20 absorbed by atmosphere and clouds, so minus 20, 20 reflected by clouds, so minus 20, and 4 reflected from Earth's surface, so minus 4. How much? 20, 20, 40, 6 of 4, 10, which will be 50%. So whoever gave the answer C or 50, they are right. So answer for this question is C. C is 50%. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Albedo is related to albedo is related to. If you know the definition of albedo, you should know this question. Reflection, okay. What about others? A, C, others saying C, others you are wrong. Isha is right, Jyoti Gupta is right, Suraj is right, Kanchan Lata is right, sorry, Kumot are right, Dharani A right, Kotai A right. Yes, you are right. You must add a sentence. The albedo of ice or the albedo of snowfall is more. Do you know why the people in hilly area wear sunglasses during this like snowing season, snow falling? That's the reason, because sunlight gets reflected from the surface. The albedo of white surface or white snow is around 100%. So all the lights which incident on this snow, it all got reflected and it goes to our eyes. That's why we wear glasses in the hilly areas during this snowy season. So albedo is related to reflection. This is a very common question. So answer will be A. Next question. Unit of irradiance or insolation is C, 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 okay. Watt per meter square, great. C, Kotai right, C. Intensity watt per meter square, right, Ravindra Kumar. Someone's mic is on, can you please keep it off? Okay, the correct answer is watt per meter square. Answer will be C. Jyoti Gupta right. Okay, so this one is a numerical. What would be the H? So H here is irradiation divided by unit area. Let's say for 6 hour day. So I will rephrase it. It's like you need to calculate irradiation per unit area for a 6-hour day. Means sun is shining for 6 hours in a day. So you need to calculate irradiation per unit area. Okay, I am saying please calculate it. Sir A. I know this question was in slide. I know this question was in PPT or in lecture. But is it really A? That's why I am saying please calculate. You must have pen and paper with you. Just calculate. For your kind information, I am saying A is not the answer. Someone please calculate, or if do you want any hint, I can give you a hint. Just let me know. Sabri Siri Hari saying B. Okay. Let others say what they are getting. Pavitra B. Kumut or B. This question is very simple. Just multiplication of 3 numbers. In which first number is 6 hours, so 6. Second number is albedo, so 0.3 is the albedo, so 1 minus 0.3. And third number, anyone write in the comment. Yes, 684. What is this 684? Just remember the last question. What was the last question? Insolation. So 684 is the insolation on the surface of Earth. See this picture. This is what coming and this is what reaching. 684. So 684 watt per meter square, we will convert it into energy. So we can say watt per meter square into 1 minus 0.3, 0.7 into 684. Sorry, 684 is already there. Into 6. Into 6. 6 R. So unit will be 287. There will be some number 1 or 2. watt hour per day. It is saying unit area, that's why we are not using per meter square, because per meter square is already a unit area. So answer will be 2.87 kilowatt hour per day. Yes, someone saying something? Someone's mic is on. Let me hurry. I muted him. Nita. Unmuted. Okay. Now everyone is muted. So everyone got it? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So answer is 2.87. So you should always calculate. Don't go with the video, don't go with the PPT. I know you must have read it there. There was a difference. In the PPT it was 12 hours. That's why the answer was 5.75. So correct answer is B. Next question is very simple. Photovoltaic effect was discovered in which year? Which year? A. Kanchan is saying D. A. Kanchan, you still on the D or you want to say A? Yes. Okay, everyone saying is A. Someone saying, Ravindra saying B. B is not the right answer. Answer is yes, Kanchan, you are right now. Photoelectric is different from this photovoltaic. Photovoltaic effect was in 1839. So answer is A. So second last question for today. Organic solar cells belongs to which generation? C, D, and C, D, sir. Okay, let me know like one by one. First generation, any one example. First generation, any silicon. Okay. Crystalline silicon. Generation 2. Generation 2. CDTE, right. Generation 4. Yes, CDS and this gallium arsenic all are in generation 2. Even amorphous. I am asking for generation 3 and 4. Any example? Peroxide generation 4, right, Hima? DSSC or organic. Right. So generation 3 is the organic. So this chart you must have read in lecture. For generation 4 peroxide, generation 3 organic and DSSC, and CDT, CDS, gallium oxide, and CIGS all second generation, and crystalline or polycrystalline silicon is first generation. So correct answer is C. Right. Last question for today. Work function for a metal is 5 electron volt. Calculate the wavelength which will lead to photoelectrons. Very simple. The work function is 5 electron volt. You just need to tell me the wavelength at which the photoelectrons will eject. On a metal, what energy I need to put so that the photoelectrons should emit from the metal or metal surface. E equals to h nu minus 5. Ravindra, you are right, but please calculate or let me know the wavelength in nanometer. For your hint, Ravindra Kumar has put an equation in the chat box. You can refer that, and based on this equation you can calculate. Kanchan, what is this B or D? Answer should be one only. This is numerical problem. You should get your answer accurately. And in B or D, there is difference of around 100. Sorry, no, 2. Okay, B or D. HC by 5. HC by 5. Please calculate. I hope you will change your answer. Kanchan, please calculate. For your reference purpose, let me put the equation. This is the equation. And more simplicity, just put equals to 0, then calculate. Ravindra is right. Manish Reddy is absolutely correct. 247.5. Some students are joining now, just 10 minutes before. So for them, I just want to tell you, I'll upload this video on YouTube channel. You can refer this video from there, and then you can ask doubt in comment. Okay, let me do for you. So it is asking when will lead to photoelectrons, means energy of photoelectron should be 0. So h nu equals to, what is this, lambda, sorry 5. Work function is 5 electron volt. H nu we can write Hc by lambda equals to 5 electron volt. So lambda equals to Hc divided by 5 electron volt. We can write it as HC divided by, just write the value of HC, 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 5 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Just calculate it. Everyone got your answer or not? If you have doubt and or you have anything to ask, you can ask. Okay, so Kanchan is saying C. Now C is right. Isha Hazariwala, it's 248. 247.5 is right. 248 we can say approximately right. Hima C is right. Kotiha is right. Jyoti Gupta C right. C. So based on your responses, I feel I should increase the level of questions. Yes or no? Yes, surely I will. I want these classes more interactive. And I am happy to see you are like giving some responses. Not all, but some students are giving continuously. That's great, keep it up. Yeah, I was saying some students are joining very late. So I am uploading all these videos on a YouTube channel, so you can go through these videos if you haven't attended this class, and if you have any doubt you can ask anytime in comment box, in discussion forum, or here in the lecture. Okay, link, I am sharing the link. Wait. So this is the link. Let me check if this is correct. Yes. Yeah. Many questions are different from the solved questions which is given for assignment. Because I found those questions very simple, and even one more classes is being scheduled with other guy, so he will be discussing other questions as well. That's why I have taken only few questions from the assignments given to you, it's like there will be two classes of assignments, and if there are 15 questions, we will be discussing 8 or 7 each one, and others question we will be including our own questions. So what I did, I took from 8 questions from the starting, and I discussed those, and other questions I just had my own questions. Jyoti Gupta, if you have doubt in those questions as well from the assignment, you can ask. Even if you want, I can discuss all questions next time onwards, and then I can add some higher level questions for you. So what I am saying, this is the link for YouTube channel. I will upload this video just now after this class. If you miss any class, or if someone want to go through these classes later on, they can refer to these videos. I hope that's fine. So we can end today's class. Thanks for coming. And August is the last day for assignment 1. Yeah. You are welcome. I just want you to be more interactive so that we can learn, we can teach. Others, about this 10th August, I need to confirm it. I will confirm and will let you know. This is like my class will be on 5th of August as well. So in the 5th of August, I'll confirm what is the scenario for this assignment submission. Is that right? Okay, thank you. Okay, I am ending this class. Bye bye, take care.